Welcome here on the Intersolar in Munich. My name is Thomas Vogel. I'm the head of product management, and today I would like to introduce our Generation 3 of our PLENTICORE hybrid inverters. With the Generation 3 of the PLENTICORE, we achieved double the power in the same housing with 20 kilowatt. Furthermore, we implemented new functions like the backup function. The PLENTICORE Generation 3 will come up in 3 variants, in the S, M and L variant, from 4 to 7 kilowatt, from 8.5 to 12.5 kilowatt, and from 15 to 20 kilowatt, and which gives you the most flexibility.